My neck hurts, my shoulder hurts, and my left ankle hurts.
Okay, that's quite a bit of a list. So I understand we talked earlier during consultation. You mentioned about, let's clarify more in depth. What did your friend did to you?
He gave me a massage on my neck and shoulders, and then he decided to twist my neck and it cracked. And he wanted to do the other side, but it was like 8 years ago.
And ever since that happened, what's been going on?
It's been painful.
Okay, where?
All over. I mean, I could crack it myself, but it's still very uncomfortable.
Okay. Well, suffice to say, that's the reason why, we don't want anyone untrained to start moving things around when it's not supposed to be moved around. Okay, so let's go down to the next on the list. So what's going on with the shoulders themselves?
I mean, I think it comes along with the neck part, and when I sleep, it's just painful everywhere. It follows down, all the way down to my spine. So.
I also understand that you're also assaulted at one time. Something that happened to your shoulder. Which one was that?
My right shoulder. Someone yanked my arm and it clicked, and I clicked it back, and it never went to the doctor.
All right, so we'll take a look at that one as well. And then on the final part, what's going on with that foot?
Twisted my ankle and never went to the doctor. I just went to a Chinese doctor and they wrapped it up and.
Gotcha. So, how did you twist the ankle? What did you do?
It was a step, and I twisted it like that, and then I just got up and kept on moving.
So when was that?
8 years ago.
8 years ago.
Somewhere.
All right.
Yeah.
Got it. All right. So let's start off with instrumentation. We're looking for that abnormal heat temperature difference, and we found an abnormal temperature right here at this level. Going down the list. Found another one right here. You got something chronic right there. Another one right here as well. Okay, give yourself a nice hug. Okay, so everything doing your spine as you're rotating quite a bit over here. There's a huge pool of edema right over here. Same thing here as well. And a nice good patch over here. So let's check the foundation itself. That's fine. A slight fixation on the left side, not too bad. So let's focus on this swelling over here. Yeah, how's that feel right there? Yeah. A fourth lumbar. So you get this pool swollen right here. See, it's all boggy, filled with fluid. Second dorsal. Sit back. See, it's all filled with fluid on the right hand side. So you got some muscle spasm on the left hand side. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, that's 6 cervical, not fun. Yep, there it is, 6 cervical. 5th is not fun either. Most of the 6. Okay, let's check your humerus. Humerus is slightly fixated. Occipit's okay. All right, open the jaw, close. All right, you have TMJ, that's for sure. And let's go down to this. So you're talking about, okay, you got neck pain, the shoulder pain, right? And also that left foot, the ankle. So I always want to take a look what's going on down below first. Why? Because just like the foundation of a house, right, or like the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa, right? Why did that whole entire famous building lean more? Because it's not stable at the very bottom. So we can see right off the hand, right off the bat with this one over here, the whole spine's going down this way and that way, and this way. So when we start tracing it down, where does it really start? Well, it's around this region right here. So we tested and confirmed on this pelvic foundation is okay. The fifth one's okay, but the fourth one is not. So that's what caused the whole domino effect. Everything from this level and upwards to go out of alignment. That's where we need to address this one first. The next one over here is this 6 dorsal over here, right? I need to confirm that after we correct this one, we'll double check on that one that needs to be corrected or not, right? 2nd dorsal needs to be corrected, and then the 6th cervical as well, right? And we can see the ramification, what your friend did. Because see your neck over here, right? The curve is supposed to be going forward, the complete opposite direction. It only does that when subjected to very severe type of rotation. Just like sort of like doing like that. Right? So I guess that's kind of severe, that severe rotation in there. Well, here's the thing, the spinal cord and the brain, it doesn't like it. It doesn't like being twisted up so much. So as a defense mechanism, that's why the brain and the cerebellum try to pre-program the neck, everything else, try to untwist it from here, from the top, bottom. But there's only a certain limit you can do so. It's no different from saying like, okay, well, since my body rotated like this way, we can't walk this way, right? So our head has to stay this way, so everything else is going to start compensating like this way. That's why we see this twist that happened here. And that's what your body did here as well with your neck. You had to protect the neck, the spinal cord, and the brain by deliberately going the opposite direction. So we're going to take a look exactly what's going on, everything else. Restore this first. Take that twist out of there. This one may need to help it along. Same thing over here in the 6th cervical. And including this TMJ over here. What I mean by TMJ is this. When you check your jaw, it should be gliding open and closed equally on both sides, right? You saw, right? It's cracking, right? So that's what I'm seeing over here. It should be in proper alignment. I want to see it center. See, it's not. It's a little bit off. I want it here. So your whole entire jaw, everything is slightly misaligned, going like right that way. It's just very slight, but it is there. Right? So when we correct that one, it'll help recenter your skull back to proper alignment as well. Take some pressure off of that brainstem. It'll help with that along with that as well. Now, next support. The foot. So what happened to this left foot? It caused so much discomfort. Well, this one looks pretty straightforward. It's this. This is the heel bone, the calcaneus. What we're looking at is this bone right here. Okay. Normal, I want to see it in proper alignment with this and bottom over here. Okay. Just like what we see over here. I want to see a proper alignment here. You see how much is sticking out in the front on the top part over here? That's not normal. It's here, but it really should be here. Yeah, that's, so, right, exactly. So we got this one heck of a tilt this way, so I gotta realign it by pushing it down this way. So right now, this bone over here, it's PL, so it went this direction. And all the bones, everything else went this direction as well. But here's the thing, if I pull this one, it's gonna make all these limbs above it even more PR. That's what we want to avoid. So therefore, this one, we need to push it proper alignment so it won't disturb these. Let's roll. Right this way. On your side, face towards me. Hug the edge. Little more, little more. Okay, slide down. A little bit down. Right there. There you go. Okay, let me add this over here. Perfect.
last shoulder right here. Let it go. Come on up. Walk around. Huh? What do you feel different? That's fair enough. Have a seat right over here. Do you notice any difference with your neck or your shoulders right now?
Actually, looser.
A little looser, huh?
Seems,
What about the shoulders?
I still have that clicking thing.
You still have some clicking there. All right, fair enough. Yeah, see that 6 dorsal still jammed. Still a problem. Okay, second dorsal is not too bad. See, that compensation went away, so that's good. Okay, relax the hands. Yeah, the 6 cervical. So, since we corrected the 4th lumbar over here, we retested the 2nd dorsal, even though it was fixated, okay, and there was a reading over there. Nope, we're not going to correct that one. That's compensation. So right now it's these 2 candidates over here. So the 6 dorsal, let's roll. Okay, what you do is take a knee, chin over here. Hold on a second here. Knees back. Okay, drop the belly. Drop the belly no more. Just relax. Knees slightly apart. Good. Hands over here. Good. Just relax this over here. Just relax. A little more. There we go. Oh, that's one. Slide down. Slide up. Right there. Okay, knees back a little bit. Right there. Just relax this over here. Let it go. Left shoulders. Just. There it is. Okay, come on up. Have a seat right over here. Okay, so back. We're doing that round. See how you like it.
I hear clicking, but it feels looser.
Feels looser.
Yeah.
Good progress. We still need to correct it. Over here. Right this way. Just relax. Let it all go. Left shoulders. Let it all go. No more.
Oh,
There we go. Nice deep set. Now let's check your shoulder blades. since you're here already. Yes, fixing it. All right. So let's fix this one first. Pump this up. Good. Put this down. Over there. Nope, no problem with that one. Okay, bring it back up. Walk around. So, how's the neck?
Better.
Feels better, huh?
It's sore from before, so I'm not too sure.
Okay. That's fair enough.
What is clicking?
Well, all that clicking you're hearing, that indicates that something's misaligned and it's unstable. It's going to take some time to realign those structures. Are you talking about the neck or are you talking about the shoulder that's clicking?
I don't even know
The shoulder?
where that come from.
It's a scapula over here. We just corrected this one over here. How's the shoulders right now?
It's better. Yeah. It was like so tense.
All right, so not done yet. Right over here. Okay. So there's another thing I forgot to mention when we went over films. See this over here? Yeah, that's your AC joints. Okay. They're supposed to be in proper alignment. Right? Same thing with here. Right? It's not. So the AC joint, this is what we consider like a grade 1, AC spring over there. So we just have to realign this one. This is superior. This one also went a little superior as well. So the scapula itself, that's what we set here, but this one was fine. But now we're going to test both scapulas, actually both clavicles, see how they're doing. Right. So testing SC, sternoclavicular joint. AC, no, this is jammed. So this is fixated and stuck. So we're gonna pump this up, get it ready. Okay, just let it go. There it is. All right. It's not too bad. SC, AC, yeah, just slightly out. Humerus also out too. All right, first things first, let's get this AC in, please. Yeah, not too bad. So, here it is. Okay. Let's get that in place. Pump this up a little more. Right here. All right, just let it go. All right, walk around. See, I like it. Huh?
It feels better.
Nice.
I didn't know something. I knew something was weird, but
Well, it wasn't out of alignment for quite some time. We just have to put it back in place, right? Okay, next part. Feet time.
which one?
Okay, on your back. Okay, towels are good. Let's check the good foot first. All right, that's fine. Nope, this is where the calcaneus is. That's where it's located. Okay, on your belly. Okay, first we're gonna pump this up before we set it. Oh, there's a piece already. This fella's itching to go. Bingo. There it goes. Yeah, sorry for that little zinger. I know it's been stuck there for 8 years. So walk around.
That hurt.
Well, like I said, been stuck for 8 years, you know. But walk around.
I mean, when I walk, I don't really feel it, but it clicks like something is when it's raining. And
So how's it now? What do you notice that's different in there?
that clicking is still
There's still someone in there? Okay. Well, that's to be expected. It is 8 years after all. So we did a good start already, just getting that fellow realigned. What are the differences you notice in that ankle right now?
it feels looser, but it's still
Feels looser? Okay. Anything else?
it's pain.
Oh, I understand. Like I said, it's been 8 years, it's stuck for quite some time. We finally realigned it. The body's just not used to it.
Like rainy days, it feels a lot tighter.
Mm-hmm.
It feels a lot looser now.
Good. Well, I'm glad to hear.
Will it go back to that? Like,
Well, that's an excellent question. Well, here's the thing. Because it's been there for 8 years, right? You have to keep in mind, our bone structure and our joints, right? It's not like a piece of metal, right? It's organic, and it will change under pressure. So it's no different from saying like, okay, we got an old pre-war building door or powder screen door. If it jumped the track a little bit, and you keep on grinding and rubbing over time, okay, it's going to create a new track, a new groove for it to settle into. So your body's used to that new groove, even though it's misaligned. It's kind of used to that position for 8 years, right? So what we got to do is realign it back to proper alignment, right? And even though that new groove is still there, okay, that pathological, the misaligned groove, your body needs to fill up that groove. That's going to take some time, right? It's not going to be overnight. That usually takes at least a year or more, depending on the severity of the damage itself. And yours is, it's not too extreme, right? But I anticipate within a year or so, it's going to fill up that groove with that joint, create a new, we're talking about remold that arterial cartilage back in keep it in proper alignment as much as possible. It's just going to take some time. All right? All right. Oh yeah. Well, is there anything else to fix?
Thank you.
All right. Oh, you're very welcome. Well said. Okay. So, one more goodie, little extra goodie that we forgot to do about, which is your TMJ. So go ahead, open your mouth. Close. Open. Close. All right. Let's fix this side first. Okay. Open your mouth. Close. Open. Close. Open, close, no, open, close. There it is, open, close. No, not too fast, open, close, open, close, open, close. There it is. Good. Walk around.
I know which way.
Oh, we realigned it.
The jaw?
Yeah. Well, show it to the viewers.
It's normal to click.
Give it some time, because right now we just settled it in there. Fill us in. What's different about it?
Yeah, it was really weird when it cracks. People used to ask me, and I'd be like, I got cracked in the jaw.
But how's it now?
Yeah, it's still.
Yeah, I understand that. It's going to take some time, because again, that's a couple of years been that way, right? So, but what's different right now?
I don't know. It didn't really hurt me. It's just.
Okay, well, it's not just hurt, but what are the changes or anything else you notice that's different with that? Nothing? Okay, fair enough. So tell you what, on the next following visit, all right, you let us know what all the changes are for the jaw, okay, for your foot, the neck, shoulders, the whole type of thing. All right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.